Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Today I wanted to share a haul video from a couple of different places so that I can get my craft room cleaned up. So the first haul is from Staples. I had some like free Staples money for recycling ink cartridges, and I got these glitterific acrylic paints, and they're super fun colors, and these were on clearance for $1.47. Also at Staples, I picked up this package of mixed pom-poms so I can add it to my Happy Mail, and this was also on clearance for 47 cents. And then they had these really cute library pockets, and they're adhesive on the back, and there is a couple of different colors, and these were also $1.47. So super fun finds at Staples, and that cost me pretty much no money because, like I said, I had like free Staples money. And then I did find the Target Halloween stickers. It's not the same brand. I think it was Spritz that they had last season, but this is the Halloween sticker bucket. It was $5, and inside is just all sorts of cute Halloween things. Of course, it doesn't look like the super thick chipboard stickers that they used to carry, but I couldn't resist. I had to get it. If anyone wants to see like all of the stickers that are inside, just leave a comment below and I will do an unboxing video on these super fun Halloween stickers. And then at the Target dollar spot, I just picked up this really cute set of stackable organizing trays. These were only $1, and you get some of the narrower ones with some of the deep ones, and I have a couple of the bigger ones already on my desk, so I'm just adding this to the stack that I already have. And at the dollar store, they had the candy corn shred. So I picked this up to add this into my Halloween stash because I do not have this one. And then I went to Tuesday morning, so they were closed out their craft area, and then I stopped in and they had pulled out some more stuff that was on clearance. So I picked up this kit. It was on clearance for $8. It's the With Love, and it comes with embellishments, ephemera, a paper pad, and stickers. I thought that was a really good deal for $8. And I'm pretty sure I have something else related to this collection already in my Valentine's Day stash. So that's where this kit will be going. And they had this scoreboard. This is the smaller one. I have the big one, but I thought this would be perfect to keep on my desk because it's a lot smaller, and that was only $4.99. And a while back, I did do the last Hobby Lobby clearance, and I just did not have time to get it posted, so I'm going to quickly go through my Hobby Lobby clearance. So the first thing is this Sizzix from Tim Holtz. This is like the envelope pocket die, and this has been on my wish list for a while. It's just so cute, and it was only $2.49, so I'm super happy about that. And I actually wanted to use this for Halloween, to put Halloween ephemera, so that's on my list of things I hope to do someday. I also picked up this die set because of these really nice sized banners that it had, and all the different elements, and that was only $4.24. And I picked up this sticker stamp set. I think this was the only stamp set that I picked up. It was so cute. Those dinosaurs, I thought I could easily stamp those and cut them out on my Brother Scan and Cut, and they were only $2.49. So great deal on that. And I had to pick up this die. It's like puppy love. How cute is that? I love my dog so much. And yeah, I just had to for $2.49. It's so cute. That paw is adorable, and it's actually a really nice size. A little heart in the middle. So sweet. And then this is the, I don't know, do these things have names on them? Swirling Stars. So I got this. I love stars. and it was only $4.99. And it says there's 9 different dies, so there's probably different sets that you could make different designs with. So that's cute. And then of course I had to pick up my planner stickers. These were only $2.49, and tons of adorable stickers in that one. I am trying to be more choosy in the ones that I picked because I ended up with like a wedding one, and I'll never use a wedding one. And then I also picked up this one, and this also has some really cute colors and stickers in it. So I picked up those two. They were on clearance for $2.49. And I got this Faith one. It was $4.99, and I love how it has the muted tones for all the boxes, and lots of blank things that you can use. So I picked that one up. And I found the Disney Princess. Even though I'm not a Disney person or a princess person, I know that I have pen pals that are. So of course for $4.99 I decided to pick this one up, because if I do a Disney Happy Mail, I will have stickers that will go with that. So grabbed that one for $4.99. And then these unicorn charms were only $1.24, and they're super cute. I'm just going to drop them right into my little girl stash and use them when I have a project that I'm working on. And I picked up these because I knew Halloween was coming, and these are just like black and orange butterflies. And I thought, oh, those are like spooky cute, and they're kind of unique. I don't know, black and orange butterflies. So anyway, I grabbed 2 of those, 74 cents each, and they're going to go into my Halloween stash, which is all over my craft room. And these are some labels. I use these all the time in almost all of my projects. They were only $1.24, and I picked up a similar set that I've actually been using, so I definitely wanted to get my hands on another one. And they had the sticker books that are the Christmas. How much were these? $1.49. Oh, I have one open. So I picked up 2, but look at how cute these are. These are just so sweet, and they're great to make cards, to make tags for Happy Mail, and of course if you have a planner you could use them in your planner. So I did grab 2 of those for that price. And this heart one was adorable. I love how you can change those out. They're super cute. Let's see what this name is. Heartbeat. That was only $3.24. Can't beat those prices. And then I grabbed this one, this Doily Set. I have 1 doily die. Well, I have 2. One of them doesn't work in my die cutting machine. No matter what I do, it doesn't actually cut out the little pieces. And then I have 1 that I use. So I figured, you know what, for $3.24, I'm sure that this brand will work well. And it has all these different sizes. So for $3.24, picked that one up. And then these are sentiments, sending my love, thank you, best wishes, happy birthday, and greetings. And it has the layer and it has the word, and this font is gorgeous. It's really skinny, so I hope it will cut out well. I would think it will because it's from Spellbinders. And I think, I don't know, it says for hot foiling, but I'm sure that I could just use it as a die cutting. Picked up those. And then this is another die. This is the Party Cupcake Pocket, which is so fun. I'm assuming the wrapper is what's the pocket part. I'm not sure. I will Google this name and this word, and I'm sure there's tons of videos on there that I will be able to figure out like how to make this. This is so cute. I love cupcakes. And then I found these Happy Planner rings, the medium. I only have smalls, and I make my own Happy Planner. I make my own journaling books, and these are the bigger ones. So I have, like, when my book gets too big, I transfer them to an older book. so that my book's not so thick. And now that book's getting thick, so I'm gonna use these medium-sized rings so I can keep all of my journal pages together. And then they have these fragile stickers. There's a ton in here, 36 of them for 74 cents. And I got these to slap on my Happy Mail packages. And then I forgot this. This is something that I picked up at the dollar store. It is the pumpkin treat bags, and it's a fabric. And there was, how many bags? I think four in there for $1. So that's super cute. So yeah, guys, that is my massive haul. And you know what? I still have a Goodwill haul that I have to film, which I'm going to be doing next. And then I hope to do a clean with me craft room tour. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging in there. I hope you have a great day. Bye.